Hey, check out this cool outdoor shower. Welcome to the review channel, guys. Today's product was sent to us in return for our honest review, and we have this outdoor shower. So this thing's pretty neat. It comes with this cool heater, which I won't be using today because I'm out by my garden. It's a little chilly out here in Michigan, so I don't really want to shower outside, but I do need to water where I put the seeds in the ground, and I think this thing's going to work really good for it. We're going to try it out. So it came with this foldable bucket, a little scrubber, a metal scrubber, the shower unit itself with a rechargeable pump, a thermometer so you can see how cold the water is, a hanger for your sprayer, a charging cable, some suction cups, and a hook to hang it on, and of course the heater. So I did charge this before I came out here, and I've turned it on and put it in the water. I just brought a bucket out here because I thought it would be easier. And now I'm going to take this and see if I can just use this to water the garden and save myself some time. So I think there's a pretty good amount of water here coming out for washing your hair or anything like that as well. But this is going to water my plants real quick. It also has a switch on the side, so you can have your different modes. More steady stream or more of a spray, kind of a mix. So this is working really good for the watering. I might have to leave this out here for the next few weeks while the weather's still cold so I can water my garden. But it's slow enough that if you had one bucket of water and it heated it up to a good temperature, you could take a whole shower, soap up, rinse off. It's definitely working for what I'm using it for. But if I were camping in one of the rustic campgrounds and I needed a shower, this would definitely be an option I would go for, because you could heat up your water, you can spray yourself down in the shower. So I had to pull it out of the water so I could show you. See where that blue ring was around the edge? As the water gets warmer, that changes color, so you can tell the temperature of your water just by the light. That's a pretty cool feature. If you're looking for a camping shower, outdoor shower, or just I'm using it, just something to spray your garden with when you don't have power out here, this thing works really good. The pump works pretty fast. I went through about 3-4 gallons of water in just 5 minutes there. With the heater, that would come in clutch if you were out camping. I'll tell you what, bring yourself a power box or some way to get 110 to this, and you can heat up your water, have a nice hot shower, even out in the woods. This thing was great.